Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup routine using All Clean Beauty. It's quick, it's easy, and it's clean. So I'm really excited to be sharing with you guys these products because I have a bunch of new. Before we get started, I do quickly want to introduce myself for those of you guys who are new to my channel. Hi, welcome. My name is Jessica, aka the Mexican Beauty. I make videos on all things beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. While you're at it, hit that notification bell because I'll make sure you never miss a video. And also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, the Mexican Beauty, because whenever I'm not here, I'm literally there 24/7 posting. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this clean beauty makeup routine. Keep watching. So the first product we're gonna go ahead and start off with is the Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Gel Cream. This is one of my favorite moisturizers to use to prep my skin, especially on the days where perhaps I may not be going in with a primer and I just kind of want to use my moisturizer as a 2-in-1. It does such a beautiful job of hydrating my skin, giving it that really great moisture, but still easily sinking into my skin, especially for my people who do have very oily skin and are wondering. This is just so good for that. And it also has a really nice tacky grip, which allows any type of tinted moisturizer or foundation to grip on really nicely. It's my favorite for those days where I'm in a rush and I'm trying to do things quickly and kind of do both primer and moisturizer in one. The first product I'm gonna go ahead and start off with to do this quick minimalist makeup is this Merit Volumizing Pomade. This one is in the shade Black Brown. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this through my brows to just kind of create a very soft, fuller effect on them. So you guys can see the huge difference between having a brow filled in with a pomade to not having anything on. It makes such a big difference. And even though we aren't doing the most, it still gives you the most beautiful, just freshly done brow effect. Also, let's talk about this packaging. You guys know that I'm all about the gold. You guys can see I'm always wearing gold. This is just speaking to me. This packaging is everything. The next step that I like to do is I like to go in with my complexion product. So the product that we're gonna be using is this Merit Perfection Complexion Stick. This one is in the shade Khaki. And basically what this is supposed to do is it's supposed to cover any little areas where you feel like you need a little bit of coverage. You can use it to kind of spot conceal, or you can use this to build it up to a more fuller coverage consistency. It just really depends on what you want. Since we are going for that more minimal look, we do want to kind of go in the areas where we feel like we want to kind of cover things up. So for me, that tends to be right here. And I'm going to be taking the brush. This is the blending brush number 1. And I'm just going to begin kind of blending this product in. You guys can see how effortlessly it just blends in. So this complexion stick kind of gives you the finish of a tinted moisturizer, which is something that I really like. I feel like for every day, that's kind of the vibe that I go for nowadays. I feel like as I get older, right now I'm 25, I really love a more natural, enhancing your natural beauty moment than anything else. This consistency is also so creamy, which allows me to really be able to just blend it and diffuse it so easily into my skin. Look at that. Just blends so nicely into the skin. And on top of the moisturizer, it just really does the trick for me. This is just such a great product. You guys know that I'm always reviewing products and talking about foundations and all that good stuff and tinted moisturizers. And when I tried this, I was like, wait, this is actually pretty cool. I literally just love how it gives you an effortless, natural effect, and it's just so creamy, so it blends in so well into the skin. Okay, so once I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to go in and just take my lash curler, and I literally don't have lash extensions for once. Just have my natural lashes. You guys can see they're very small. They've always been this way. Now I'm gonna go with the Merit mascara. And I'm just going to coat these babies. In case you guys are wondering what lip balm I'm using the Summer Fridays lip balm. I feel like I've had lash extensions on for so long that I forgot what my natural lashes look like. My natural lashes are so tiny, it's literally crazy. I feel like adding mascara to your lower lashes really allows for you to kind of open up the eye. Then I'm gonna be taking the Merit highlighting balm in the shade Kava, and I'm going to just apply it in the back of my hand. And I'm gonna use a brush, a Delium Tools brush, and I'm just gonna begin applying this on my eyes. Do you guys see? It kind of just adds a really like shimmery touch to it, like a healthy glow to the eyes. So that's why I kind of like to go over the eyes with this highlighting balm. Once we do that, I do want to go and put a little bit of some blush to the cheeks. You guys know that cream blushes and just balmy consistency blushes have been so in lately. They really give a healthy, your skin but better type of blush touch to your face. So I'm using this shade by Merit in the shade Terracotta, and this cheek color is just gonna really take things to the next level. I am kind of going in full force with it just because it is a nice lightweight consistency, and then I'm taking the brush that we use to apply the complexion stick, and I'm using that to blend. And the reason why I'm taking this brush is because it already has a little bit of that complexion product on it. So if you go a little heavy-handed with the blush, you're able to kind of blend it in with what's already in here and just kind of diffuse it out and give it a very natural effect. So even though I did go in with quite a bit of product that I applied here, it still gives it a very healthy finish because you are blending in with the blush. So you guys can see, like, I like to really go to town with it, build it up like that, and you guys may be like, whoa, that's a lot. But when you blend it out, it just gives you the healthiest, prettiest look. And you guys see how fresh faced my face looks? It just looks so healthy and glowing. Lately, I've been really into like a more glowing effect to my face, because I feel like sometimes when you're using very matte products, your face can just look very makeup-y and cakey. And if anything, this literally looks like my skin but glowing. Like, it really gives you that minimalist touch to the skin, and it just looks so healthy and radiant. And I really live for that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to just apply that highlight right here. This literally just gets me so excited for spring and summer, because this is the type of makeup that I like to do during those times of the year, like just really effortless, glowing makeup. So now we're gonna move on to the tinted lip oil. And this one is in the shade Marrakesh. And I'm just gonna apply this. This consistency I've been wearing so much. I feel like this color is stunning, and that's why I've been wearing it a lot, because it literally is a better version of my lip color, like my natural lip color. And the consistency is just like a dream. Like, you guys need to feel this consistency for yourself. It's literally chef's kiss. Like, it is the most hydrating consistency that you'll ever come across. I feel like now I just look so polished and revived and just ready to conquer the day. Okay guys, so this is pretty much my full face using clean products at Sephora. And the reason why I love this face so much is because it's so quick and easy. It's not intimidating whatsoever for anybody. Whether you're somebody that doesn't wear a lot of makeup to somebody that does like to wear a lot of makeup, I just feel like you have some really good staples for everyday use for that minimal look. Less is more. You're beautiful with and without the makeup. And as you guys can see, even though I do have a little bit of makeup on, I still feel and look like myself. I feel confident. And I just feel like you just kind of gave yourself a little, you know what I'm saying? Like, took it to the next level without really taking it to the next level. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy watching the video. All the info on these products will be listed down below in my description box. And that being said, don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful. And I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon for a brand new video. Bye guys.